Are you struggling to find the right balance between delicious meals and managing your diabetes? Look no further. In today's video, we'll show you how to plan your meals with a focus on low-carb options, helping you keep your blood sugar levels in check. Segment 1. Importance of meal planning for diabetics. Proper meal planning is a cornerstone for diabetics. It's not just about what you eat, but how you eat it. Consuming too many carbs can lead to rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, which isn't ideal for anyone, especially diabetics. By planning your meals with care, you can stabilize your blood sugar, increase your energy levels, and feel better overall. Segment 2. Understanding low-carb diets for diabetes. Now, let's dive into the world of low-carb diets. These diets focus on reducing carbohydrate intake, which can lead to better blood sugar control. When reading food labels, look for net carbs. That's total carbs minus fiber and certain sugar alcohols. Remember, not all carbs are created equal. Opt for complex carbs found in whole grains and fibrous vegetables. Segment 3. Practical tips for low-carb meal planning. Let's get practical with meal planning tips. Focus on lean proteins like poultry, fish, and tofu. Then add non-starchy veggies like broccoli, spinach, and peppers. Use measuring cups to ensure portion control and keep track of your carb intake. Prep your ingredients in advance. Having veggies chopped and proteins marinated makes cooking a breeze. Segment 4. Delicious low-carb recipes for diabetics. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with these mouth-watering low-carb recipes. Start with a refreshing and filling salad loaded with leafy greens, grilled chicken, and a light vinaigrette. Whip up a colorful vegetable stir-fry using your favorite non-starchy veggies and lean protein. Indulge your sweet tooth with sugar-free desserts like berry parfaits or dark chocolate dipped in nut butter. And there you have it, a crash course in meal planning for diabetics with a focus on delicious low-carb options. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit our website for more diabetes-friendly recipes and tips. Thanks for watching. Remember, a low-carb lifestyle can make a big difference in your diabetes management journey. Stay healthy, stay happy.